In this tutorial, I will show you how to indent text in a Canva text box. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open an existing design or click Create a Design to start a new project. After the Canva editor opens, go to the left sidebar and click the Text tab. Then click Add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text to place a text box on the canvas. Type the sentence or paragraph you want inside the text box. To create an indent, place your cursor at the very beginning of the line of text. Then press the space bar on your keyboard a few times. Each space will push the text slightly to the right, creating an indent effect. You can add more spaces until the text is positioned exactly where you want it. If you add too many spaces, simply press backspace to adjust the spacing. You can repeat this same trick for any line in the text box if you want multiple lines to be indented. That is how you indent text in a Canva text box.